Hello students, myself Professor S.P. Sudla. Today we will take number problems on arithmetic progression. Class 1 Mathematics Part 1. Now, some hints for this. If sum of numbers in AP is given, then consider three numbers as a minus b, a plus b. Four numbers as a minus 3d, a minus b, a plus b, a plus 3d. And five numbers as a minus 2d, a minus b, a plus b, a plus 2d. And if sum is not given, then consider standard AP, a plus b, a plus b, so on. Now let us take a question. This is question 61 on my notes. The sum of three numbers in AP is 27. And that product is 504. Find the numbers. तो नंबर्स निकालो. नंबर्स क्या है? So here the sum of three numbers in AP is given. So as I have told here, three sum of numbers in AP is given, that consider three numbers as a minus d, a plus d. Let three numbers in AP be a minus d, a plus b. Now, what is sum of numbers? Sum of numbers is a minus b plus a plus a plus b. This is given. Sum of numbers is 27. Here d cancels with d. 3a is equal to 27 or a is equal to 9. First term आ गई. Now what is product of numbers? Product of numbers is a minus d into a plus d. This is given 504. Now this is a into a minus d into a plus d. A square minus d square is equal to 504. Value of a 9 into 9 square minus d square is equal to 504. That is 81 minus d square. 504 upon 9. This comes out 56. Or 81 minus 56 is equal to d square. D square is equal to 25, which implies d is equal to plus minus 5. Which implies d is equal to plus minus 5. Okay. Therefore, the numbers are a minus d, taking d as 5, a minus d, a plus d, or if we take d is equal to minus 5, then 9 plus 5, 9 minus 5, that is 4, 9, 14, or 14, 9, 4.
अच्छा मम्मी बुला रही है. मम्मी कहती तेरे ना ले
सारी बात थोड़ी बिचा बिचा रही है. सारी बात तेरी भी आ रही है.
मैं तो
बोल ही रही.
हूँ ना. अच्छा सारे में
Let us take another example. Question. This is example 2 from notes. Sum of five numbers in AP is 25, and sum of their squares is sum of their squares is 165. Find the numbers. We have to find the numbers. Solution. Let here again the sum of 5 numbers in AP is given. Okay, as I have already told, if we have to suppose 5 numbers in AP, so that should be let 5 numbers in APB. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus B, A plus 2D. What is sum of numbers? Sum of numbers is A minus 2D plus A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D. So this is given 25. So this 2D cancels, D cancels with D. We get 5A is equal to 25, which implies A is equal to 5. So we get the value of A. Now, sum of square of numbers. Sum of square of numbers. Sum of square of numbers is A minus 2D square, A minus D square plus A square plus A plus D square plus A plus 2D whole square. This is A square plus 4D square minus 4AD plus A square plus D square minus 2AD plus A square plus A square plus D square plus 2AD plus A square plus 4D square minus 4AD. So this was given. Sum of their squares is 165. So this is equal to 165. 4AD minus 2AD plus, which implies 5A square plus 4D square. 5A square plus 4D square is equal to 165. 5A square plus 10D square. 4D square plus D square plus 4D square plus 10D square is equal to 165, which implies 5 into A. We have already calculated the value of A. The value of A is 5. 5 into 5 square plus 10D square is equal to 165, which implies 10D square is equal to 165 minus 125, which implies D square is equal to 40 upon 10 is equal to 4, which further implies D is equal to plus minus 2. Now putting the value of A and D, we can calculate the numbers. So the numbers are A minus 2D. A is 5 minus 2 into 2. Then is A minus D. 5 minus 2. Then A. Then A plus D. Then A plus 2D. Or if we take D is equal to minus 2, then A plus 2 into 2. 5 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 into 2, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. You can cross check this question. Sum of the numbers is 9 plus 7 16 plus 5 21 24 25, and sum of their squares can also be checked. जैसे 9 square 81 plus 49 plus 25 plus 9 plus 1, and you will get 165. Next, is the digits of a positive integer. The digits of a positive integer having 3 digits. Having 3 digits in AP, and their sum is 15. The numbers obtained by reversing the digits is 594 less than original number. Find the number. तो digits of a positive integer having 3 digits. 3 digits पॉजिटिव नंबर है, उसकी तीनों डिजिट्स AP में है. Let the digits of let the 3 digits of given positive number in AP be A minus D, A plus D. Now, sum of digits what is sum of digits? Sum of digits is A minus D plus A plus A plus D. This is given in the question. Sum of digits is 15. D cancel with D. 3A is equal to 15, which implies A is equal to 5. So from here we get A. Now what is the original number? Original number is, this is a 3-digit number. This is units place, this is tens place, this is hundredth place. Original number is hundredth place into 100 plus tens place into 10 plus units place into 1. So this gives you 100, 111A minus 111A minus 90. Now, what is the number obtained by reversing the digits? अगर डिजिट्स को रिवर्स करोगे तो यूनिट्स प्लेस बिकम्स हंड्रेड्स प्लेस, a प्लस डी इंटू 100, टेंस प्लेस a and units place a minus d into 1, that is this comes out 111a plus 99. Now according to given condition, it is given that the number obtained by reversing the digits is 594 less than original number. That is, it is given as 111a minus 94 99d. Original number is greater than the number obtained by result by 594, that is (594). This cancels. Minus 198d. And what is d? 594 upon minus 198, that is minus 3. D comes out minus 3. So therefore the number is equal to, what was the original number? 111a minus 99d. Original number was 111a minus 99d. इससे पुट कर दो 111a. A was 5 minus 99 into minus 3, that is 555 plus 297 is equal to the number is 852. Okay, so this question was a 3-digit number whose digits are in AP. Digits AP में we consider the three digits as a minus d, a plus d. Sum of digits is given. So their sum is equal to 15, 3a, a आ गया. तो what is the original number? Original number can form, these are the digits. 100 digits into 100, tens digits multiplied by 10, and units digits multiplied by 1. And what is the number obtained by reversing digits? So this becomes hundreds place, this tens place, and units place. So this is the original number, this is the